Thank you, everyone. So, like the introduction say, we start from a disaster, and we try to rising from the ash to make a success. So, Henry Schein, who we are? We are a dental distributor across the world. So we are present in 33 countries across the world. We are in the business since 90 years. The old pharmacy started in New York 90 years ago and expand across the world. There is 24,000 TSM, like we call it, the Team Schein member across the world. We are a company in the Fortune 500 since 2004, and we make 12.6 billion of sales in 22. But Henry Schein is a larger group and got some subsidiary like Magento. Magento is a French dental distributor, so they sell only consumable. They're on e-commerce since 2000 and on Magento since 2019. Magento is also known in France for being the company who got the largest printed catalog, more than 1,000 pages, and we still print it every year. We got about 35,000 SKU online, and our market is the dental practice, and it's very limited because we got 45,000 dentists in France, and it's not expanding a lot every year. Our French team is very small, I can say that. There is one team lead, 2 web developers, and 5 people for the web marketing staff. And me, I joined Henry Schein 12 years ago. I'm the MEA Magento specialist, advocate, evangelist, or whatever you call it. And I try to facilitate rollout in Spain, Italy, Benelux, Czech Republic, Poland, and all across Europe. So we start from there. During the night of the 10th of March of 21, I got spam on my phone by text, the website not responding anymore. I have to wake up early and try to see what happened. And a famous hoster in France was on fire. So at this time, we only saw small pictures and stuff like that. We have no info at all. But everything is on fire. We have no access to our server or whatever, and everything is offline. And at this time, we didn't get any ERP in place. So, or at least for our e-commerce solution, or backup in another data center, we did not have local backup. Our source code was not versioned. The Git system, only 80%. And also, we didn't have any more server available at this hosting provider, so we have to find another one. From there, we have some learning because we spend a lot of time to rebuild minimum viable platform. Spend more than 300 hours. We lost 2 million of sales during this time, and we have to recreate 12,000 accounts and import 25,000 orders. So it takes a lot of time. And what the key topic we learn is to be ready for the worst case scenario. So it can happen every day, every time. And from there, we keep internal documentation about the process, infrastructure, what to do in what case, in a safe place. We didn't trust the cloud stuff. We make local copy and stuff like that. And also, it's to test your recovery process and backup on a regular basis, because many times we say, oh, we have a backup, but does this backup work? And how to do it? Something we take into consideration is to develop the business need and version it, because sometimes the marketing team misappropriate the platform, and with Magento, it's easy in the back office to add some customization in the CSS and stuff like that, and you didn't get it, the backup or stuff like that, and you redeploy, you lose it. And also to invest in a reliable solution for hosting, backup, and stuff like that. That's the bad part. On 22, the objective was to recover and try to outperform to make our money back. So we start a new project to rebuild the whole front end based on the Wova team. And with an improved search engine, we use a Smile Elasticsearch module, the premium version. And with Wova team, it's easier to introduce our team because we got junior, so easier for them to put a fit on Magento stuff. We got better performance outside of the box thanks to Wova. And our upgrade, because Magento release upgrade quarterly, were quicker and safer. From this time, we make 13% more of revenue. And also a good thing is we can reduce our server needs. So it's lower the cost. On the business side, we made a lot of improvement. The search engine is very used. In our case, it's 80% of our traffic. Our customer didn't go so much to the category menu and stuff like that. They just go to the search box and say, search for glove or whatever they want. And search should be fast because sometimes they just enter the SKU or the manufacturer item code and they want to add it to the cart quickly and add another one and go on. We also put some boost on our own product brand because we got our own brand and we got a better margin product. Thanks to the Smile Elasticsearch, we can make some recommendation for the customer on his search for some product, and we can push and change the order of the product in the category, suggest some product. And we also put some label, like this one is part of the own brand privilege stuff. We also develop functionality used by your customer to make recurring order, because a dental office often use 5 box of glove every week and cup and stuff like that. And there is no interest for them to place an order every week, so they can schedule an order every few days, every week, month, whatever they want. And like that, the order already go to our system. And our customers are B2B, and they have some specific needs, because we are not only e-commerce platform, but we got also sales rep who go by car to the dental office. We got call center. So the customer needs to have on the website a full vision of his journey with us. So he needs to get his full order history, whatever the channel is done. We got customer-specific pricing, so each customer got his own price for each product. And also he needs a digital invoicing system and online payment, because it's not mandatory in France to provide a digital invoice. And we start to see more and more some needs for the customer to have a platform with account hierarchy, because the dental office are now bigger. They got a lot of people on it. So some can prepare the order, some validate the order, manage some budget. On the technical side, we monitor and analyze performance, the core vital stuff, and we try to improve. And we at each deployment, we make also some measurements. If what we provide to production, does it affect our core vital score? We also optimize the product synchronization, because we got 35,000 of SKU, so we can make multiple import per day. That's a good benefit for a customer to improve description, photos, and stuff like that. And we try to not wait to deploy in production and ship faster and small features, or even if it's a new color for a button or something like that, we didn't wait to have a big stuff to deploy. And with what we put in place, we are now able to develop some dedicated website quicker, because on the same platform, we can make some website dedicated, for example, for implants, for ecological product, and it's the same product database, but we just look and feel change, and it drives more revenue. So from the EVA perspective, we start in June 21. It's a discovery of EVA for us, and we start with an agency, Blackbird at this time, and we start really the kickoff of the project in January 22, and we go live in August. So it was kind of 6-7 months development, testing, and at the same time we got a big Magento upgrade to the 4.3. And it runs smoothly, to be honest, the first one. About the project, we invest 100K for the development. It takes us 2 or 3 weeks to introduce junior development to the project. The first one takes 7 months, and the next one, Dr. Strong, it's an alternate, a cheaper one. It takes only 1 month to go live. And each month we allocate 2 days to make some small upgrade, improvement, and by the team. And today, if we start a new project, it will be quicker because a lot of compatibility module exists for UVA, and also UVA UI already launched a few months ago now, and it's a good basis for start. On marketing side, what we put in place to improve our sale is to make a lot of effort on cross-sell product, and also make some bundle, because sometimes a customer like to have a glove, cup, and towel in the same color and stuff like that. So we make a package like that, and it helps to improve our sales. We also communicate on delivery, because delivery is an important topic on our side. Customer wants the furniture for tomorrow. So every order submitted before 4 p.m. will be delivered before 1 p.m. the next day. We put also an online chat to better serve our customer, and we try to push our own brand where we get better margin. So this is some number. So 21, we make about 2,500,000 online. We got 5,000 orders a year. 22 is a lot better, make like 100% of progression, but 23 it's a lot better. And this year we make more than 30 million online sales. So now it's kind of 25% of the turnover of the company online, and it's work 7 days a week. Some key point I want to highlight is to try to make in IT and business one team, and not one versus another one and fight each other. Because IT can understand what business needs, and business can understand IT. So we have to share together and be aligned and one team. Something we learned is to get money, you have to invest money, and don't be cheap on development, hosting, or whatever, and you have to invest money. And also, you have to measure what you do, because sometimes you develop something, a feature for a specific customer needs and stuff like that. You will invest many hours to make it. We spend 200 hours for only 2 times using of this feature. So we lose just 200 euros. And also, it's try and learn. It's not what I say, not try to put the whole feature live, just small iterative delivery, learn what the customer wants and what they like, they dislike, and talk to the customer what we can do to make their life better. That's it for me. That's so quick.